Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on direct messages preview. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you have to click on notifications here. Now you can see here below the direct messages there is direct message preview. Keep it in mind to on the option of direct messages preview. Firstly you have to turn on direct messages like this direct message. If you turn it off then this option will be disabled. By clicking on blue mark you can click on direct messages preview. It means the message that appear in your inbox you can preview that messages. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.